Congratulations, you have successfully completed phase 2 of the training program. We welcome you to phase 3, the most advanced phase. In this phase, you will learn and master the concept of multiplication and division on decimal values. Hello adventurer, welcome to phase 3. In phase 3, we have decimal multiplication and decimal division. So the phase 3 starts with decimal multiplication. There are 3 types of decimal multiplication. This is type 1. So as you can see, this is week 122, sheet 1 of 3. There are 3 sheets this week, and the concept here is decimal multiplication type 1. Before we begin solving the questions, let's understand how decimal multiplication is different from normal multiplication. So as you can see, the first question is 9.9 multiplied by 2. The first value 9.9 is the multiplicand and the second value 2 is the multiplier. Okay, let's understand the rules of multiplication. Here we have 9.9 multiplied by 2. 9.9 is the decimal value and 2 is a normal value here. So in the decimal value, that is the multiplicand 9.9, the part before the decimal point is known as the integral part. So the 9 shown in green is the integral part, followed by the decimal point and a 9 again. Now the multiplier has a normal value, that is 2. As you know, in multiplication we always place the product on the abacus tool. We do not place the question. So now where to put the product or the answer from? So the integral part in 9.9 is 9 shown in green. So that is considered as one digit, and the multiplier has a normal value, that is 2, that is considered another digit. So one digit plus one digit equals 2. That is, we have to take rod number 2. Alright, as I said, only the digits in the integral part are considered to place the answer from. So in 9.9, the first 9 is the integral part, so that is taken as one digit, and the multiplier consists of only one digit, that is 2, so that is also taken as one digit. So one digit and one digit make 2 digits. So we have to take rod number 2 to place the answer from. Now look at the next example, 79.3 multiplied by 2. So the integral part in the multiplicand is 79. 7 and 9, 2 digits. In the multiplier, 2 is a normal value, that is considered as one digit. So 2 digits and 1 digit make 3 digits. So we will place the answer from rod number 3 in this case. Now this is the third example, 672.6 multiplied by 3. The integral part here in the multiplicand is 672 consisting of 3 digits, and the multiplier has only one digit, that is 3. So 3 digits plus 1 digit equals 4. So we need to take rod number 4 to place the answer from in this case. Now this is another example where the multiplicand and multiplier both contain a decimal point. Both are decimal values. The multiplicand is 4.6. The integral portion in this value is 4, that is taken as one digit. And 6.9 is the multiplier here. The integral part here is 6, that is taken as one digit. So one digit and one digit, that makes 2 digits. We need to take rod number 2 to place the answer from in this case. This case is slightly different, 0.14 multiplied by 5. The multiplicand is 0.14. The part before the decimal point is a 0, that is taken as 0 digits only. It is not taken as one digit. That is the rule of decimal multiplication. And the multiplier is a normal value with one digit. So here 0 digits plus 1 digit equals 1. We need to take rod number 1 in this case. In this example, 0.18 multiplied by 0.8. The multiplicand is 0.18 and the integral part in the multiplicand is a 0, that is taken as a 0 digit in this case. And in the multiplier 0.8, again there is a 0 in the integral part. So 0 digit plus 0 digit makes rod number 0. In this case, we need to take the answer from rod number 0. Now look at this example, 0.06 multiplied by 0.5. The integral part in 0.06 is a 0. So it doesn't play any role in placing the answer from, but a 0 after the decimal point, it is taken as -1. Yes, that is another rule of decimal multiplication. In 0.06, the first 0, the integral part has a 0, so it is not taken, it is not considered as a digit, but the 0 after the decimal point, the 0 shown in red, it takes a -1 value. So -1 digit is taken here, and in the multiplier it is 0.5. The integral part is 0, so it is taken as a 0. So the total is -1 plus 0, that is -1. We have to take the answer from rod number -1 in this case. This is another example, 0.01 multiplied by 0.01. The integral part is 0 in both the multiplicand and the multiplier, but the 0 after the decimal point takes a -1 value, both in the multiplicand and the multiplier. So 0.01, the 0 in the red takes a -1 digit. In the multiplier, again the 0 after the decimal point shown in red takes a -1 value. So -1 plus -1 equals -2. In this case, we need to take the answer from rod number -2. There are two zeros after the decimal point in the multiplicand, so they take the value -2 digits. And in the multiplier, there is a single 0 after the decimal point that takes a value of -1, so the total is -3. So where should we start the answer from in this case? -2 plus -1, that is rod number -3. So don't get confused. We will solve the questions and understand the rules better. Let's begin with sheet 1 of week 122. The first question is 9.9 multiplied by 2. So the integral part in 9.9 is a single digit, that is 9, and the multiplier has a single digit, a normal single digit. So where should we place the answer from in this case? One digit of the multiplicand and one digit of the multiplier, that makes 2 digits. Let's place the left index finger on rod number 2. Now forget the decimal point here and take these as normal values. So we are not considering 9.9 multiplied by 2 here. Once we place the index finger correctly on the rod, we need to consider these values as normal values. 99 multiplied by 2, and all the rules of multiplication of normal values apply here. 99 multiplied by 2. So from right to left, it is 2 9s are 18. Finger shifted. 2 9s are 18. And the answer gets completed. So as you can see, the answer has flown towards the decimal part here since it was a decimal question. So let's read the answer correctly in decimal format, and the answer is 19.8. Yes, the answer should be read in the decimal format, 19.8. Let's clear the Abacus tool. That's correct. Please don't worry, we will solve the remaining questions and you will understand the rules better. So question number 2 is 7.6 multiplied by 6. The integral part in the multiplicand is 7, that is taken as one digit, and the multiplier is a normal value, that is 6. So one digit plus one digit makes 2 digits. So let's place the left index finger on rod number 2 here. Okay. Now treat the decimal value as a normal number 76 instead of 7.6. So the question becomes 76 multiplied by 6, and the normal rules of multiplication apply here. From right to left, it is 6 7s are 42. Finger shifted. 6 6s are 36. And the answer is 45.6. Question number 3, 9.6 multiplied by 1. One digit, that is 9 in the multiplicand. One digit in the multiplier, that is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. rod number 2. My index finger is on rod number 2 now. Right to left multiplication. 1 9s are 0, 9. Finger shifted. 1 6s are 0, 6. As you have noticed, my answer flows towards the decimal part, and the final answer is 09.6. Question number 4, 7.8 multiplied by 3, rod number 2, my index finger is on rod number 2, 78 multiplied by 3. Now we need to consider 7.8 as 78, normal value 78 multiplied by 3. From right to left it is 3 7s are 21, finger shifted, 3 8s are 24, and the answer is 23.4. Coming to question number 5, 5.5 multiplied by 4. So the integral part contains one digit, that is 5, and the multiplier has a normal single digit value, that is 4. So 5.5 multiplied by 4, let's place the index finger on rod number 2. Now consider this value as 55 multiplied by 4. So the normal rules of multiplication apply here. 4 5s are 20, finger shifted, 4 5s are 20, and the answer is 22.0. Yes, we need to type the answer in decimal format, that is 22.0 and not just 22. Alright, because the question contained a decimal part. So why did we take 22.0? Because the question contained a decimal value. So the answer should always be in a decimal format. 22.0 was the answer. Coming to question number 6, 5 multiplied by 4.5. The multiplicand has a single normal value, that is 5, and the multiplier here is 4.5. The integral part in the multiplier is 4. So that is taken as one digit. So one digit of the multiplicand plus one digit of the multiplier, 1 plus 1 is 2. So placing the left index finger on rod number 2 again. Now treating both the values as normal values, 5 multiplied by 45. From right to left it is 4 multiplied by 5. 4 5s are 20, finger shifted, 5 5s are 25, and the answer flows towards the decimal part. The answer is 22.5. Question number 7, 9 multiplied by 5.8, placing the left index finger on rod number 2. Now 9 multiplied by 58, or from right to left it is 58 multiplied by 9. 5 9s are 45, finger shifted, 8 9s are 72, and the answer is 52.2. Question number 8, placing the left index finger on rod number 2, 3 4s are 12, 2 4s are 0, 8, and the answer is 12.8. Question number 9, placing the left index finger on rod number 2, 6 2s are 12, shifted, 3 2s are 0, 6, and the answer is 12.6. Question number 10, 3 multiplied by 9.8, placing the left index finger from rod number 2, 9 3s are 27, finger shifted, 8 3s are 24, and the answer is 29.4. Question number 11, 79.3 multiplied by 2. There are two digits in the integral part of the multiplicand, 7 and 9, and the multiplier is a normal single digit value, that is 2. So two digits of the multiplicand and one digit of the multiplier makes 3. So we have to take the answer from rod number 3. My finger is on rod number 3 now. So now for the sake of convenience, we have to take the two values as normal values, that is 793 multiplied by 2. From right to left it becomes 2 sevens are 14, finger shifted, 2 nines are 18, finger shifted, 2 threes are 06, and the answer is 158.6. Question number 12, 77.5 multiplied by 5. Let's take the answer from rod number 3. 5 sevens are 35, shifted, 5 sevens are 35, shifted, 5 fives are 25, and the answer is 387.5. Question number 13, 41.2 multiplied by 4, placing the left index finger on rod number 3. 4 fours are 16, shifted, 4 ones are 04, shifted, 4 twos are 08, and the answer is 164.8. Question number 14, 80.5 multiplied by 1, rod number 3. 1 eights are 08, shifted, 1 zeros are 00, shifted, 1 fives are 05, and the answer is 080.5. Question number 15, 11.5 multiplied by 4, rod number 3. 4 ones are 04, shifted, 4 ones are 04, shifted, 4 fives are 20, and the answer is 046.0. Question number 16, 3 multiplied by 16.5. The multiplicand here is 3, a normal single digit value. The multiplier is 16.5. So there are 2 digits in the integral part of this value. So let's take rod number 3. 1 threes are 03, shifted, 6 threes are 18, shifted, 5 threes are 15, and the answer is 049.5. Question number 17, 8 multiplied by 57.2. So 8 is the multiplicand with a single digit value, normal value. The multiplier is 57.2. The integral part in the multiplier has 2 digits, that is 5 and 7. So the total is 1 plus 2, 3. So let's put the finger on rod number 3. Now from right to left it is 5 eights are 40, finger shifted, 7 eights are 56, shifted, 2 eights are 16, and the answer is 457.6. Question number 18, 7 multiplied by 41.5. So let's place the index finger on rod number 3. 4 sevens are 28, shifted, 1 sevens are 07, shifted, 5 sevens are 35, and the answer is 290.5. Question number 19, 1 multiplied by 12.6. Let's take rod number 3 to keep the answer from. 1 ones are 01, shifted, 2 ones are 02, shifted, 6 ones are 06, and the answer is 012.6. Question number 20, 3 multiplied by 76.9, placing the left index finger on rod number 3. 7 threes are 21, shifted, 6 threes are 18, shifted, 9 threes are 27, and our answer is 230.7. Question number 21, 60.11 multiplied by 7. So the integral part in the multiplicand has two digits 6 and 0, and the multiplier has a single digit value, that is 7. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Let's put the left index finger on rod number 3. Now 7 6 are 42, shifted. 7 zeros are 0 0, shifted. 7 ones are 0 7, shifted. 7 ones are 0 7, and our answer is 420.77. Question number 22, 16.44 multiplied by 6. Two digits in the integral part of the multiplicand, one digit in the multiplier, that makes 3. Let's place the left index finger on rod number 3. 6 ones are 0 6, shifted. 6 6 are 36, shifted. 6 4s are 24, shifted. 6 4s are 24, and the answer is 098.64. Question number 23, 90.86 multiplied by 4. There are two digits in the integral part of the multiplicand, 9 and 0, and one digit in the multiplier. So let's take the third rod here. Let's begin the answer from rod number 3. 4 9s are 36, shifted. 4 zeros are 0 0, shifted. 4 8s are 32, shifted. 4 6 are 24, and the answer is 363.44. Question number 24, 83.98 multiplied by 6. So which rod should we begin the answer from? You're right, rod number 3. So my left index finger is on rod number 3. Now 6 8s are 48, finger shifted. 6 3s are 18, finger shifted. 6 9s are 54, finger shifted. 6 8s are 48, and the answer is 503.88. Question number 25, 35.20 multiplied by 6. Two digits in the integral part of the multiplicand, 3 and 5. One digit in the multiplier, that is 6. 3, 5 and 6. Total 3 digits. That means we have to take 3 rods on the abacus tool. 6 3s are 18, shifted. 6 5s are 30, shifted. 6 2s are 12, shifted. 6 zeros are 0 0, and the answer is 211.20. Question number 26. Let's take the answer from rod number 3. 1 2s are 0 2, shifted. 7 2s are 14, shifted. 9 2s are 18, shifted. 9 2s are 18, and the answer is 035.98. Question number 27, 4 multiplied by 83.25. So let's take rod number 3 to place the answer from. 8 4s are 32, shifted. 3 4s are 12, 2 4s are 0 8, 5 4s are 20, and the answer is 333.00. Because we have a number here in the question containing 2 decimal places, so the answer is 333.00. So did you understand the rule here? We have to take as many decimal places in the answer as there are in the question. So in question number 27, there were 2 decimal places in the multiplier. 0.25. There were two places after the decimal point, so the answer must have two decimal places in it. Alright. So look at question number 1. That was 9.9 multiplied by 2. There was only one decimal place in the multiplicand. After the decimal point there was a 9, one decimal place. So the answer contained one decimal place only. The answer was 19.8. Why? Because the question also contained one value after the decimal point. Alright. Coming to question number 28. 4 multiplied by 60.62. Let's take our odd number 3. Now 6 4s are 24, shifted, 0 4s are 0, 0, shifted, 6 4s are 24, shifted, 2 4s are 0, 8, and the answer is 242.48. Question number 29, 8 multiplied by 66.08. Let's take our odd number 3 to place the answer from. From right to left, it is 6 8s are 48. Shifted, 6 8s are 48. Shifted, 0 8s are 0, 0. Shifted, and finally 8 8s are 64. The answer is 528.64. 528.64. Question number 30. 6 multiplied by 97.33. Rod number 3. 9 6 are 54. Shifted. 7 6 are 42. Shifted. 3 6 are 18. Shifted. 3 6 are 18. And the answer is 583.98. Now question number 31. 4.5 multiplied by 8. It's a simple value, one digit before the decimal point in the multiplicand, that is 4, and one digit in the multiplier. So let's take our odd number 2 here to place the answer from. Now from right to left, it should be considered as 8 multiplied by 45. Yes, you remember, once the finger has been placed, you treat both the values as normal values. Forget the decimal point here. 8 multiplied by 45. First, 8 4s are 32. Second, 8 5s are 40. And the answer is 36.0. So why are we taking a 0 after the decimal point in the answer? Because the question contained one decimal point, so the answer should always contain a decimal part as well. So the answer here is 36.0. Question number 32. Refreshing the rules once again. The multiplicand has a normal single digit value. The multiplier 5.60. There is one value before the decimal point, that is the integral part has a one digit here. So one digit of the multiplicand and one digit of the multiplier. 1 plus 1 is 2. Let's take our odd number 2 on the abacus tool. Let's forget the decimal point here and take both the values as normal value, that is 3 multiplied by 560, not 3 multiplied by 5.60. Let's take 3 multiplied by 560. And from right to left, it should be 5 3s are 15 to begin with, finger shifted. 6 3s are 18, finger shifted. 0 3s are 0, 0. And the answer will complete here. The answer is 16.80. Since there were two decimal places in the question, so let's take two decimal places in the answer as well. 16.80. Coming to question number 33, 66.5 multiplied by 3, two digits in the multiplicand before the decimal point, one digit in the multiplier. So 2 and 1 makes 3. Let's place the left index finger on rod number 3. Now it is 3 multiplied by 665. From right to left, it is 3 multiplied by 665. First step, 3 6 are 18, shifted. Second step, 3 6 are 18, shifted. Third step, 3 5s are 15, and the answer is 199.5. Question number 34, 2 multiplied by 48.30, placing the finger on rod number 3. So the question becomes 4830 multiplied by 2. Once we have placed the left index finger correctly on the rod, let's forget the decimal point and treat both the values as normal values. Now from right to left it is 4 to the 0, 8, shifted, 8 to the 16, shifted, 3 to the 0, 6, shifted, 0 to the 0, 0. The answer gets completed here. So the answer is 096.60. Question number 35, 54.56 multiplied by 6. So where should we place the answer from? Correct, rod number 3. So placing the left index finger on rod number 3, from right to left it is 6 5s are 30, shifted, 6 4s are 24, shifted, 6 5s are 30, shifted, 6 6s are 36, and the answer is 327.36. Question number 36, 4 multiplied by 63.28. So placing the left index finger from rod number 3, 6 4s are 24, shifted, 3 4s are 12, shifted, 2 4s are 0, 8, shifted, 8 4s are 32, and the answer is 253.12. Question number 37, 672.6 multiplied by 3. There are 3 digits in the integral part of the multiplicand, 672, 1 digit in the multiplier. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Let's take 4th rod, 1, 2, 3, 4, and place the left index finger on rod number 4. In this case, from right to left it becomes 3 multiplied by 6726. Yes, treat both the values as normal values. Forget the decimal point here. Now 3 6s are 18, shifted, 3 7s are 21, shifted, 3 2s are 0, 6, shifted, 3 6s are 18, and the answer is 2017.8. One place after the decimal point because the question also contained one value after the decimal point. Alright, so 2017.8. Question number 38, 7 multiplied by 638.6, rod number 4. From right to left it is 6 7s are 42, shifted, 3 7s are 21, shifted, 8 7s are 56, shifted, 6 7s are 42, and the answer is 4470.2. Question number 39, 3355.5 multiplied by 3. So there are 4 digits in the integral part of the multiplicand 3355 and one value or one digit in the multiplier, altogether 5 digits. So let's take 5th rod, rod number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th rod. Let's place the left index finger on rod number 5. From right to left it is 3 3s are 0, 9, shifted, 3 3s are 0, 9, shifted, 3 5s are 15, shifted, 3 5s are 15, shifted, and finally 3 5s are 15. So the answer is, it has to be read from rod number 5, 10066.5, 10,066.5. Question number 40, 9 multiplied by 8311.1. So there are 5 digits taken together in both the multiplicand and the multiplier. So let's place the finger on rod number 5. Now from right to left it is 8 9s are 72, 2 shifted, 3 nines are 27 shifted, 1 nines are 09 shifted, 1 nines are 09 shifted, and finally 1 nines are 09. 74799.9. Question number 41. 4.6 multiplied by 5. Rod number 2. 5 4s are 20. Shifted. 5 6s are 30. And the answer is 23.0. Why a 0 after the decimal point? Because the question contained one place after the decimal point. So the answer is 23.0. Question number 42, 35.1 multiplied by 4. Let's place the finger on rod number 3. From right to left it is 4 3s are 12. Shifted. 4 5s are 20. Shifted. 4 1s are 0 4. And the answer is 140.4. 140.4. Question number 43, 46.82 multiplied by 7 from rod number 3. Right to left, 7 4s are 28. Shifted, 7 6s are 42. Shifted, 7 8s are 56. Shifted, 7 2s are 14. And the answer is 327.74. Question number 44, 679.7 multiplied by 6, that is 679.7 multiplied by 6. 3 digits in the integral part of the multiplicand and 1 digit in the multiplier, total 4 digits, that means 4 rods. Let's place the finger on rod number 4. From right to left it is 6 multiplied by 6, 6 6s are 36, shifted, 6 7s are 42, shifted, 6 9s are 54, shifted, 6 7s are 42. And the answer is 4078.2. 4078.2. Last question of this worksheet, question number 45. 1764.6 multiplied by 8. So let's place the finger on rod number 5 here. 8 1s are 08. Shifted. 8 7s are 56. Shifted. 8 6s are 48. Shifted. 8 4s are 32. Shifted. 8 6s are 48. And the answer is 14116.8. So adventurers, I hope you understood the rules of decimal multiplication. So how was your experience? Good.